and the see, this is MacBook Pro 15-inch late 2008 model, which is not natively supported for macOS Catalina but have installed macOS Catalina on this version 10.15.6, having a memory of 4 GB DDR3 RAM. Startup disk is Catalina, and the graphics driver is NVIDIA GeForce 9400 M256 MB. The full system report is here. Model name MacBook Pro 5.1, Intel Core 2 Duo, processor is 2.66 GHz. Then audio, because its screen recorder is on, so it's a bit slower. I just want to show you everything is functional in this. These are the built-in microphones. And here you can see then the Wi-Fi. This is the graphics display. Now the storage part. It's 1 TB, 1 terabyte. Then you have the network. Right now I have connected it using Wi-Fi. So I have used the macOS Catalina Patcher.app from the DOS2.1.com website. So the softwares that you will need are, just click on this link. Here you have to download the latest version, which I have already downloaded and extracted the Catalina Patcher.app. You can see over here. See, the download has started. I'm stopping the download because I already have this file. Then in addition to this, you need this the APFS boot ROM support. Here you have to download this, install this thing. before making your USB installer. I have already done this. Official APFS firmware update.zip. You have to extract it using your utility.app, and then you have to install it on the hard disk or the SSD where you want to install this Catalina. Meanwhile, I will show you how to create the patcher. For this, you need a USB drive, or you can do this on your hard disk also, but I suggest you please make a USB installer. Before making the USB installer, Catalina installer, make sure that you are using this disk utility. It should be formatted in macOS extended general format, and the scheme should be GUID. Name it whatever you want to name. It will rename it after installing the Catalina. So then you have to click this. You need macOS Catalina.app, which is of 8.46 GB. You can download it directly from the App Store if it is ported. Because you are installing it on an unsported Mac, you can use the GIP macOS master to download the Catalina, and thereafter you have to use the command build macOS install.command to create Catalina app. One more option you can do over here is if you don't want to do all this, you can go back, download a copy. You can read macOS Catalina installer will be downloaded straight from Apple. It's an 8 GB download and will be saved to your downloads folder. Then from here you have to browse for a copy. It have just shown you. Here it's in my application folder, but when you will download it using this patcher, it will be in your downloads folder, this folder. So then you have to click on create a bootable installer. So it will start installing the file on your USB. In my case it's my volume. So I have to click start and it will start making the USB. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes, sometime more than that, and it will install and create the bootable installer.